How can I eliminate gnats from my house?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to eliminate gnats from your house. Gnats can be quite pesky and annoying, but don't worry, we've got you covered. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to get rid of those tiny pests and enjoy a gnat-free home. So let's get started.
Identifying the source.
The first step in eliminating gnats from your house is to identify the source. Where are these gnats coming from? Gnats are attracted to moist environments and organic matter, so it's important to locate the breeding grounds. Common sources include overripe fruits, houseplants with damp soil, standing water, or even damp areas in your kitchen or bathroom. Once you've identified the source, you can move on to the next step.
Removing breeding grounds.
To effectively eliminate gnats, you need to remove their breeding grounds. Start by discarding overripe fruits or vegetables that may be attracting them. Inspect your houseplants and ensure that the soil is not overly damp. If it is, allow the soil to dry out before watering again. Check for any standing water in your home, such as in the sink, flower vases, or even pet water bowls. By eliminating these breeding grounds, you'll significantly reduce the gnat population.
Traps and repellents.
Now that you've removed the breeding grounds, it's time to set up traps and use repellents to further combat the gnats. You can make a simple trap by filling a small bowl with apple cider vinegar or red wine and adding a few drops of dish soap. The gnats will be attracted to the smell, but the soap will cause them to sink and drown in the liquid. Another effective trap is a sticky gnat trap that you can find at your local hardware store. These traps use adhesive surfaces to catch the gnats as they fly by. In addition to traps, you can also use natural repellents to keep gnats away. Essential oils such as citronella, lavender, or eucalyptus are known to repel gnats. Mix a few drops of these oils with water in a spray bottle and use it to spray around your home, especially in areas where gnats are commonly found.
Cleaning and maintenance.
Maintaining a clean and tidy environment is crucial in keeping gnats away. Regularly clean your kitchen and bathroom, paying attention to areas where moisture may accumulate. Make sure to dry out sinks, wipe down countertops, and keep drains clear of debris. Also, consider covering any open trash cans and storing food in airtight containers to minimize the attraction for gnats.
Prevention tips.
Prevention is always better than cure, so here are a few additional tips to prevent gnats from infesting your house. 1. Inspect fruits and vegetables before bringing them inside your home. 2. Water your houseplants only when necessary and ensure proper drainage. 3. Seal any cracks or openings in doors, windows, or screens to prevent gnats from entering. 4. Install mesh screens on windows and doors to keep gnats out while still allowing fresh air in. 5. Dispose of trash regularly and keep garbage bins clean. Congratulations! You've now learned how to eliminate gnats from your house. Remember to identify the source, remove breeding grounds, use traps and repellents, maintain cleanliness, and follow prevention tips. By following these steps, you'll be able to bid farewell to those pesky